And we are in front of the new Malibu DB van compact for the 2025 edition, looking at the new Fiat Ducato 600 LE model with the new standard new Fiat Ducato front chassis and new engines inside. Looking around and looking into the specs, we have the model 540 DB and 600 LE for the same actual design. This is the 600 with the final specs that are right up here and the final price of 83,825. Just a standard upper level luxury camper van of 6 meters. And shall we entering inside, we are looking in posh finish, just like all the Malibu vans, just like an yacht styled van. And from this side we have the Fiat Ducato chassis, but we don't have the actual digital dashboard and manual controls. Well, I would have ordered all manual, or actually I would have all digital and with the 9-speed automatic. Probably 8 right now. They're keeping this part so you get an additional storage compartment. Then we have additional cabinets right up there, and after it we have the pop-up roof, pretty wide and spacious. Additional storage space right up there and pretty wide sitting area for 2 people. The actual table have a cutout and slide out. Additional storage space right up there. We have the standard cutout for the actual sink, and we have the Dometic 2-burner stove. On the upper part, additional lighting with deep cabinet. Lower part, we have cabinets for all your belongings, no problem at all. Yep. And then we have the Thetford Tower 90-liter fridge and the actual toilet. It's actually pretty small, but with a clever design. The toilet gets outside when you need it, and also you have the drop-down sink. So if you want to take a shower, you have an open wide space with actual doors. Not bad at all. Additional cabinet units all around, and on the back we are looking at a wide longitudinal bed. 5 actual cabinets from this side and 4 large cabinets for all your belongings. And the bed size, so I don't measure, is 202/90 from this side and 187/102 from this side. And also there should be, no, it's not a slide out, but I think, yep, you can use this as a step, and also you will be able to sleep 2, almost 3 people with a kid on this part. Pretty great design for a camper van of 6 meters. And going into the back, we shall be looking at a pretty deep and wide garage space, and from this part we have the gas bottle storage compartment for 2 bottles, and then we have the actual heating element making a screen of hot air right up here, and then a pretty great storage space 1.195 and about approximately 0.9. Not bad at all. Let's close this off and get the final look of this Malibu van compact. Pretty nice looking van.